How do you start over on Royal Match? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restart the game or even quit the game. First of all, open application. Now here in the home page, you can see this level icon. Simply tap on this level icon. Now you can simply play whatever level you are in. Tap on play. So it will take some time to load. So now you're in the game. You can easily play the game here. But in order to restart or start over, here you can see this settings icon on the bottom. Simply tap on this settings icon. So here you can see this quit button on the top. Simply tap on this quit button. So it will make sure that you want to quit or not. Tap on quit. So again, just simply tap on try again. So this is the simplest and easy way to start over or retry the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.